Your beliefs, the way you see the world, the lens through which you see the world directly aligns with your belief system. If you think that it's hard to get clients, guess what, you will never ever get clients. And if you think that it's hard to make money, then you are never ever going to make money. And your beliefs basically create your reality, and you created your reality through belief system. And in I don't think that people in business understand the importance of their belief system, and it's a very important thing to understand if you want to be successful. And I can tell you now that if your belief system in are not in alignment with what you want, then you are never ever going to be successful and never get what you want. So please uh, ask why you believe a certain thing, and is it assumption or a truth. And basically I break down things to their first principles, and then I reason from there, and then I get to know the core fundamental truth. And that's how I am able to get good outcomes. Because you see, truth, or more precisely an accurate understanding of reality or how the world works, is the essential foundation for any good outcome. And I think the biggest leaps and bounds that I've made in business does not come from like a VSL script or a YouTube strategy, or basically like a new shiny thing, or a new DM script, or email copy, or basically like all of these things. I have not basically do anything great through these things. These things have helped me, but the biggest leaps and bounds that I've make in my business is through changing my belief systems and changing the lens through which I see the world. And if you are a business owner, I will suggest you to start asking why you believe a certain thing, and start asking basically why you believe things, because it's very important. And it's nearly impossible to behave in out of alignment with something that we believe to be true about ourselves. So if I believe that I can't achieve nine figure mark, then I'm not going to achieve nine figure mark. And if I think that I can't become a billionaire, then I can't become a billionaire. You have to first believe, then you are going to take action, and that's how you will achieve things. And if you want to know what someone believes, just don't listen to what they say. Just see what what is that they are doing, because actions says about what someone believes. And actions speaks about what someone believes. And like a lot of people think that worldview, paradigm, and basically belief system and mindset stuff are like bullshit, but I don't think that these are things that you should focus on and you should work daily. Because I think if you believe that you can do it, you can probably do it. And uh, just I want to end this video with this thing, is that it does not matter what is true, only what you believe is true. Because with the work, everything's become true. And you basically, every belief that you have, you basically seek to reconfirm it every time. And that's the dangerous thing about belief system. But yes, you can change your belief system, and it takes a lot of time. And every month what I do is basically I change my belief systems, and I replace my old beliefs with new beliefs, and it's very helpful. And I cannot like explain how this basically works, and how it have helped me. Because I can tell you that the thing that's going to help me achieve nine figure mark and 10 figure mark and even beyond that is basically my pure belief system and the lens through which I see the world. And everyone has different worldview and different paradigms and different belief systems. And the way you see the world directly align with your belief system. Okay, so make sure you got it right. and just keep asking yourself why did you believe a certain way, and like, is it an assumption or is it like a truth? Because whenever I see a belief, like, I break down things to their first principle, and then I basically reason up from there, and then that's how I get to the core truth. Because and when you get to the truth, you will get good results, because truth, or more precisely an accurate understanding of reality, is the essential foundation for any good outcome. So make sure you've got the right beliefs and you are not like living in delusion, and you have a better understanding of reality and how the world actually works, and make sure you don't have any poor belief systems.